Need to crop your video in Premiere Pro? Here are 3 easy methods that work in any version. First method, select your clip in the timeline. Find the crop tool in the bottom left corner of the preview window. Just drag the edges to crop your video visually. Second way, look at the right side panel. You'll find numeric crop controls for each side: left, right, top, and bottom. Adjust these for precise cropping. For older versions, open the Effects Controls panel. Search for the crop effect and drag it onto your clip. The same cropping options will appear in the top left menu. That's all there is to it. 3 simple ways to crop your videos in Premiere Pro. Try them out and see which works best for your project.